There you go, yeah. Happy? Right. My name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can see behind me, it's that time of the year again. Silage is upon us and it's time to go and knock some meadows. So we are on my way down. It's only a small bit, 4 acres to knock, not going to take me an hour, but it's the very first bit just after servicing up the mower. As you seen, it was unfolded, it's bonnet, checked gearbox, bed, everything is fine. So yeah, we're ready to go. So we'll put down the camera. I have the drone with me, so we're going to get some nice footage. It's just silage. It's the smell of grass. It's that time of the year again when everything gives fucking trouble. But anyways, we'll be on down the road. So here we are now, but I know it's this field, but I assume it's this kind of heavier square in the middle of the field. Don't ask me why. I know that the heifers, Frisian heifers down there, and they were grazing this, but this square left here, I assume it's only this bit. I'll have to ring my father to double check, but anyways, we'll be unfolding the more. So right, we'll go and unfold ourselves. So that up, all that, down that goes, and around the other side as well. So you may notice, yeah, the mower's a bit rusty, so it is something that I'd like to do some stage, put a bit of fresh paint on it. So I would. It's a 1365 10-foot mower, so yeah, that's what it is, 3690. So that's what we are using. Great to get the 3690. The first time we'll have done anything heavy with the PTO, or like done any real PTO work with the 3690. So we'll see. Hopefully all goes well, but we'll wait and see now. So I'll make a phone call and just double check that it's just this bit in the middle and I'm not kind of topping the rest of the field. So I'll just bear with me for a minute. So I just run my father there. Yeah, it's, for as far as he knows, it's only, so you can kind of see a line there across that way to the hedge and back up. So paws are there, 3 or 4 acres, not a lot, but you may notice the quality might got a little bit better. I didn't realize I was on lower settings after the live stream, which I was very happy with. Went very well. I hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, we're ready to go now, so we just close the back window, because that is your front line shield between you and getting a wallop of a stone or a knife or anything. And this is reclaimed ground, so particularly along the back of the hedge, that's why I'd be a bit concerned, but the rest of it should be okay. But don't want to take any chances at the same time. So right, we'll light her up. Probably go done with washing my windows. Right, we're in. Rev her up. Right, think about that then. So we'll take her nice and handy till we get the thing brightened up. So away we go. Not enough grass here to put the yoke under too much pressure, so it'd be nice to just get the thing level. Jesus, that's why you shut your back window. That was a stone. So yeah, we'll just take this nice and handy But yeah, that's it. First of the silage is going on the ground, and I suppose one little thing, no, we're not going to be lifting this or baling this or anything else with this, we're just knocking it. The farmer is getting someone else to do the rest. He's just a farmer that likes to give everyone a bit of work, so what can you say, but happy to get knocking a bit of grass. I'll put the camera away now because I want my wits about me going along that hedge. So we'll leave it at that for the minute. Maybe the next thing you'll see is the drone in the air. So you've just done the first round of the field there. Knock off the mower. We'll go and we'll just have a look. See that it's cleaning the ground nicely. See that everything's going fine. Yeah, that's doing a nice job there now, getting nice and tight. Oh, the smell of that. Smell of that. Oh, you just cannot beat silage time. So yeah, no, that's fine. That's cleaning the ground tidy there. Lovely job that. So yeah, I'm happy with that. There's no noises on the moor, so yeah, we'll pick up a gear and we'll go slaughter some meadows. So we're just done the headlands now, so we're going to start to the opening split. Yeah, the field's not that big, but I still don't fancy going up and down along the headland, so we're going to do a split. It's a bit of a triangular field, and I'm going to get this in no way straight whatsoever, and you'll see later when I put up the drone there'll be nothing straight about it. But anyways, this is how we do it, and down goes the mower, and now I try and go straight. When you're doing the opening split, you kind of follow one or another, or you just go in a straight line. Whatever you do banana is, it won't look as bad even if you don't follow either or headland. But going well so far, touch wood, no problems. Nice flat stuff now. It'll be very good feeding in that now, really leafy stuff, very leafy silage. So yeah, I can tell that's not straight behind me now. I'm at a balls of that. Anyways, you get to see it in the drone and you can take the piss on me or whatever. I don't really mind. I'm cutting grass, and that's all that matters to me. So now, that's the opening done. Not straight, yeah. Yeah, it's not straight. I'm out of balls of that. Anyways, doesn't matter. I'm cutting grass. Yes, I'm cutting grass. That's all that matters. Cutting grass. Silage has started, even though it could be a week or two before the next bit's cut, but it has started all the same. Happy days, happy days. Next shot is the drone.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was all around. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So now everyone, that is it. All mowed. Fold her up. And we go home. So that is the first day at Silage now over. I thought there was to be another bit, but we haven't heard anything, no one came, so that's it. We go home now. Great job done. You've seen the drone footage there. Very happy with that drone footage. It was literally, ever since I got that drone back in October, I have just not been able to wait for this time of the year to get the drone up and to start recording, going at the Silage. It's just what I've been waiting for. Oh, it's just great. It's great that we've started now. No issues. 3690. The mower didn't even put a sweat on it. She south through it like there was no tomorrow. I'd probably go a bit faster. I was in 1D, which doesn't seem to be half as fast as the 6200 series tractors. So I probably could have mowed in set 2A, which I probably will the next time I'm mowing way, because surely it won't be the last. But yeah, so great experience. Just give me lights and wriggle. Is that coming on? Oh, phone is buzzing. Hello? There is another bit. So I just got a phone call there, and no, they're grazing this other bit that it's thought was being mowed. Look, it doesn't matter. I can bail on home now. Next job, take off the mower, put on the harrow, and go get the last of this tillage done. So then we can concentrate on getting our silage equipment ready and be ready for when it really kicks off, because this is only a teaser, so it is, of what's to come. Only a teaser. So, and there's quite a bit to do with the self-propelled and the loading, shoveling and all the machine service, but look at the videos and all that hasn't happened. But that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed that drone footage as much as I did. And yes, it's silage season. It is that time of the year again. We can start the smell of the grass, listening to tunes, long hours, long nights. The best time of the year in my opinion. So that is it for me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Check out the description for everything else. Good luck. Bit of a publicness, whatever you want to call it. Kind of from now on, the videos you're going to see are going to be not relevant isn't kind of the word, but they're going to be 2 week old. Maybe I could end up being on some stages 3 week old videos that have been videoed 3 weeks before you get to watch them. The reason for that is, at the minute we're quite busy. There's a lot of different things going on. I'm making quite a lot of different videos, like today video on baling rushes, which I don't know when you're going to see it, and doing some servicing on one of the tractors, the split the tractor and that. That was another video I made, 2 in the one day, but I'm making a lot of videos because there's quite a bit of work going on and we're not just flat to the mat at the minute. But when the time comes when silage is in full swing, the days are long and the nights are even longer, and I just will not have the time or the energy to be able to edit the videos. So my plan is making lots of videos now, so that when the time comes I just not able to get to edit videos, I'll have a backlog of videos made, hopefully ready, that I can be able to just pop them out as I go along, regardless of whether, so I can keep the 3 videos a week going while I'm flat to the mat at the silage. And I know some of you say you don't have to and all that, but I do. At the minute I'm solely relying on what I can make off YouTube to pay me bills, pay me direct debits. I can't afford to buy the groceries I can't even afford to buy the groceries one time in the month. Just at the minute, the farm, everyone knows the beef prices are so bad, the farm just cannot afford to give me a red Rex to go towards living. So I'm relying solely on YouTube to keep myself above the negative figures. So I need to keep the videos going out so I can keep the revenue coming in from YouTube. And if you want to give me a hand, all you have to do is like the videos, leave a comment down below, share them if you feel like it. Doesn't cost you 1 penny, but it helps me out immensely. And yeah, so just so you know, the videos from kind of now on are going to be a week, 2 week, 3 week old videos, or videos that were made a while ago, just so you know, so you're not telling me that I'm either doing things at the wrong time of the year or that videos are all, just so you know, for those that hardcore fans or people that watch the videos that I like watching to the very end. So I'm going to leave it at that.